Cece.
Oh, it already smells.
The gasoline I put on it. Probably put that on.
Yeah, you need to wait for that. Oh. What's up, guys? Welcome back to Real Mates. In today's video, we're going to be doing a 2-day camping trip, fishing at the ponds, possibly cooking it on the fire, and other camping stuff like that. I'll see you guys tomorrow morning. Okay, guys, it's the next day, and we're at the pond. We got some earthworms for bait, and we got 2 rods, one for catfish and bluegill, and one for bass. I'll update you guys if we get a bite, or if we get a fish. So, the bobber and the worm is in the water. My dad said he sees fish over here. Back there? Okay, and I also saw some jumps over here, so we'll start with just... Hopefully we can get one to blow up on it. No, open that one. Oh, almost caught a tree. Okay, so I'll update you guys if we get a bite. So a guy who left threw in one of the minnows that was like half dead, half alive. And I snagged it with the hook. So, it's alive. I got a little minnow for bait. It's great. Where will I use this? You know what? I'm gonna put him on that rod full. Or should we put him on as a catfish bait? We'll put him on live. Should we take it off? Yeah, we'll take it off. Go ahead and grab it. With these. Do I have scissors? Let me go see if I have scissors. What? No, you didn't. Caught a tree fish. Oh wait, I have a knife. This'll work. Okay. Okay, just through here. Pull it. There we go. We're gonna set him over here. It's dead now, so now it will be used as a catfish bait, but it works. Okay. Okay, how about some wine? No, we're gonna, we'll leave it in here. Okay. Got my knife. Bait. So the minnow wasn't working, so we're going to try to throw this little crankbait again. You get one? Okay. So we're gonna move over here to my dad's fly fishing, and I'll try to get a fish. I was walking to a spot and I found this. I think this is a shrew. I was throwing my jerk bait. And I found a smallmouth bass sitting in the rock. Let's get him. Where'd he go? He might have swam. Oh yeah. Swim away before I just got here. Some guy over there got large birthday. So I'm gonna try to get one of those. Oh wait. I found it. No! He was in my net! No!
Wanna wrap it up or stay?
Stay. He was in my net and he got out. No! Okay, we'll look for another.
That doesn't stink.
Got a largemouth.
There you go. It's these people brought us luck.
Thank
Brought
you.
luck. You gotta hold it up and get a photo. Don't get me in it. Got pliers. Nice, I love it. He just digs right in. I'd get neat on those pliers.
So Christian has his own fishing YouTube channel.
Oh, really?
Yep, that's
Yeah.
Pat. He designed the logo and everything. We go to the store in the summer.
You need needle nose? I got it.
And he fishes.
Oh, I got it.
All right, cool.
Let's see.
Largie.
There we go.
I brought you
There we
that.
go. Yeah. Nice
awesome.
large male.
All right, you gotta watch it so if you catch me again.
See ya.
There's a rag, buddy. All right, let's get back in there. Back in the game. Where's the first?
What are you using for bait? The worms?
He's using minnows.
Oh, minnows. Okay.
This time the fish fight the rod because I use real light line. Look at that.
Got a bass. Largie? Yeah, it's a big largie.
That's a nice one. There you go.
Here.
Wow.
Whoa. Come on, can you hold this? Yeah. Oh, there's another hook in its mouth. There's two hooks.
I go people off with sometimes like if it's too deep, I'll just cut it.
Yeah,
And leave the
here's.
hook in there so you
It was
don't hurt
right at the tip though. Got that one out.
All right.
And got this
Great.
one out.
Yeah,
Here,
that's
I'm
great.
gonna measure it on my rod first.
Okay.
It's a big largemouth.
Wait, let me see inside. That'd be a good picture. Let's see. Let me see.
Feel this serrated teeth.
Yeah.
Okay, we'll measure it onto here. Now for the middle of the reel.
End
End of the reel.
Wow.
Hey. Okay.
Let me take your picture.
Make that jump.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ready? Hold on. Scooch this way a little bit. There's a shadow on your face. Yeah. Okay.
Okay. There you go. There he goes. Oh, my hands.
Camera going and everything.
Yeah. Wash off the hands. Boom. Got another fish on. Oh, this one's a baby.
Wow, I'm such a big minnow.
Yeah.
That's about average. That's
Oh, yeah.
there you go.
I got it. Yeah. Chill.
Is that a bass too?
This is another largemouth, yes.
Oh.
Hey. Here, Mom, you want to give him that rod?
Yeah. You're holding it. Okay.
Maybe 10 seconds. We put that fish back 10 seconds later. We put that fish back 10 seconds later, we got another largie. fish.
Yeah, it's the same one.
Third one.
No.
Got our fourth bass of the day. Oh, it's biting harder.
I'll tip up. Nice on.
Oh, it's a catfish.
Oh, how about
Here,
that?
you wanna hold
take them
this?
off?
Yeah, here, you wanna hold the rod? I'll grab the catfish.
Watch it touch it. On your fly. There you go.
There we go. Is that a bullhead? Right?
Flathead, I think.
Flathead or bullhead? Yeah,
Yeah,
one of
I'm
them.
not sure. One of my catfish as well.
Got my finger good. Ooh.
Successful 10 minutes.
10 minutes. Yeah. There we go.
Yeah, that's good.
Yeah, and I'll look up if that's a bullhead or a flathead. I believe it's a bullhead. It's like, it just feels like jello. Yeah.
Hold on, wait, I didn't get it. Hold on.
Oh, oh, oh.
I have one food for
And I'll just measure him in this rod. Okay, this start.
Good eating.
Yeah, they're good eating. There it is.
That's a good fish.
Yeah. Yeah, that's a good fish.
I think you just made my son's year.
Yeah.
That's like what, 7 or 8?
I think it's
And you got a catfish too.
6 fish, number 5 for bass. That might be the biggest bass of the day.
That's a good one.
I'll estimate about a pound. I'll measure him right
On the red, that's what we did before.
on the red. Oh yeah.
To the end of your reel.
Oh, he's bigger.
Yeah.
He is.
Almost to the end of that black.
Yeah, that's about a pound probably. Biggest bass of the day. We got one over here.
So you feel them?
Yep. Let's see. No, I just used it.
He just caught one on his rod.
Don't even
We're
have
getting
time to
all
feed
around.
him.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You
This one might be a little smaller. Oh yeah. This guy's a little baby. This is number 6 bass.
It's different.
There we go. That one, quarter pound, half pound maybe. Let him go. 6 bass. Okay, let's beat up the 3. Okay. So, last few minnows. Cast it out. And let's get another fish. Oh, he
This
jumps.
guy.
He just jumped. Over here.
Up. Keep that rod bent. There you go.
Okay.
I do. There's
Okay. What's this? Number 7 bass?
stuff like this.
Oh, neat.
7th largemouth?
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah, 7th largemouth and 1 bullhead. Okay. Mom, can you watch my rod?
Yeah.
Don't make sure nothing
What's this one here?
takes it in.
What's the best fish you've ever caught?
200-pound tuna.
Oh my god.
That
Wow.
was deep sea, so a little story with it. So,
We had catfish.
yep.
This is how you know you had a good fishing day. Your thumb's all scarred up from the fish's teeth. Okay, it's maybe 2 hours later. Yeah, 2 or 3 hours since that bass, the last bass. We had to go because the shiners were gone and my sisters were kind of like done. So bunch of these. That's cool. So we actually rented one of these paddle boats. So we'll do that. Yes, I can. Okay. So we're gonna do one of those, but my mom had to go to the bathroom, so right now, I'm just gonna put a cactus rig on and fish a wacky worm. And I'll do that till she gets down here. So, putting that up here, look at all those geese. Okay, I'll update you guys in a little bit. So the GoPro died, so we're filming on my mom's phone now. We're just gonna put this in, and let's see how long it takes to get this bluegill. When that thing goes running in the water, that has a fish on it. They're so quick. I think there's water in our bobber actually. Yeah, our bobber's okay, well, I'll update you guys if we get another bluegill. I was slowly reeling it in, and the bobber started to sink, and all of a sudden, it just started to move, and move, and move, and this is why. Ow, sharp spine on the bottom. This is definitely the biggest bluegill I've ever caught, tell you that much. This is a real eating size. It still has this worm in the mouth, or worm in the mouth. It's the size of my hand. Okay, let's throw it back. And let's get. Okay, guys, we haven't gotten any more luck after that last small bluegill. It was a pretty good fishing day, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.